Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can make the ghost shake effect in CapCut. So first you need to add your clip to CapCut and go to video effects. Click on the nightclub and then select the rebound swing effect. Then adjust it like this. So for the speed and size, lower it to 0 and then the intensity to around 4. Okay, I'm going to just go with 5, then click on the check icon and export the video. Then after that, go back to the project and go to overlay and add the video that you've just exported. Okay, fit the size. Okay, after that, on the overlay, add a keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the clips. And then at the second keyframe, zoom in the video like this and then go to blend and lower the opacity to 0. Click on the check icon and then go in between the clips and then go to grabs and select the ease out one. And then you're basically done, and with here is the result with the ghost shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.